This is a 50-inch Casablanca Delta 2 in the rather uncommonly seen brushed nickel finish. As its genuine Casablanca like kit. The model number of it escapes me at this time, but it's in really nice shape. This particular fan was made in February of 1999, and it was the 21st fan made on that day. So it being a newer one, it does have the XLP motor. So it's not a K55 per se, but still a very good performer. Fan's in really good shape. The globe is in good shape. These are not the original blades on it, but there is one blemish on the blades here, and that would be this guy right here. But other than that, the fan is in very good shape. Got a little bit of bearing noise. So here's the light kit. I'm not a big fan of the light kit. It just kind of shines down, doesn't really shine out, but it's what came on it, so not a big deal. Here's low speed. It's also got that Permalock down rod system as well. It does hang a little low for this room, but like I said, not a big deal. Runs very quietly. And even on low, I still feel a very slight breeze. Here's medium. And you can start to hear the bearing noise on medium. Crank it up to high. It even came with the original pendants, which is really cool. They're chrome and brass. Pretty well balanced. That rattling you hear is probably the globe. And it's just a powerhouse, man. And we got a little bit of a hum. Again, it's the globe. That's why I'm not a big fan of the light either. Makes a lot of noise. We'll go ahead and shut her down here. And yeah, that's pretty much it on this fan. Thanks for watching.